Hey guys, welcome back. I just started building this gym in my basement. Thought of recording it. I'll be posting some updates while I'm working on this project. I know I'll be making some mistakes and will be going through some challenges, and that's the point of this entire video series. So, uh, hope you like it. If you have any suggestions or ideas, please feel free to share. And yes, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Thank you. Enjoy. And this is how it all started. My daughter is seriously into exercising, strength training, and all, right? So currently, all the gym equipment is lying in my master bedroom, and that is getting pretty congested. So I just wanted to have her own space here. So I'm just helping her building this gym in the basement. So this is going to be a private gym for us. So I started by painting the ceiling black. This is called dryfall black matte paint. I got it from Home Depot, and this has no luster, no shine at all, and it looks pretty good. And I also have these inbuilt speakers. I got a system. I'll cover these speakers in next video, but these are pretty good. I have close to 12, so I have 12 speakers in my entire basement, and it has 3 zones, and 4 of these speakers are in the gym area. The walls are painted gray for now, but I have second thoughts on painting the walls as matte black. I do have the dryfall paint left over, which I think it will cover all the walls in the gym area. I'll come to the flooring next. So this is how the half of the flooring looks like now. Excuse me. This is all concrete flooring. I just leveled it up. The other side is all installed with LVP. These are called luxury vinyl planks, best suited for basement, and they are airtight, they are waterproof, they are all they all come with lifetime residential warranty, and looks pretty good. So this is 8 mm thickness, and it has 22 mil of the wear layer. So these are pretty good and easy to install. These are click and lock installation and easy to build. So far I did almost close to like 1,000 square feet of vinyl planks. I still have around 400 square feet of planks to be installed next, and then we'll see. We'll have these black rubber mats on the floor on the LVP, so that it doesn't bother us to just throw the weights on, and then should be fine, right? And these mats are basically called as horse stall mats, and one mat, you won't believe, one mat weighs around 100 lbs, and it's really pain to get them inside my house, inside the basement from the driveway. So I'm just struggling. I'm trying my best to not load my back, but yeah, I enjoy this stuff. Lifting weights is another sort of workout, right? So these panels in the corner, you see, these are the platform for my floor mirrors. I didn't have the flat wall in this area, so I had to build some sort of framing around the cinder block to just lay over the plywood, and these are going to be installed with the floor mirrors. This is how it looks, and let's see how it comes up. This area is pretty defined. Everything is in place. Lights, speakers, and mirrors will be installed soon, and the flooring is all in progress. Alright guys, so that was the update on my project. If you have any ideas or suggestions that can help me in my build, please feel free to. I'll be posting more updates in the coming days or coming weeks, so stay tuned. Bye for now.